Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to askNK. Today we're taking a look at some of the bundles and stuff that you can get right now. First off, let's talk about FlippedNormals. The folks at FlippedNormals have revamped their website, they've brought it together, and now they're doing their first FlippedBox since the rebranding of their website. And the FlippedBox for this month is the Realtime Hair FlippedBox, and this is running from now till May the 17th of 2026. So what do you get with this box? Now in this box, you'll be getting 3 tutorials plus 8 impressive assets. And this cuts across ways of how you can create real-time hair, how you can work with real-time hair, work with textures that has to do with real-time hair, and that includes the typical hair, locks, braids, updo, afro hair, and so on. Additionally, you're also getting real-time hair maps and also materials that you can work with. By default, this should cost you over $124, but because this is a flip box from the folks at FlippedNormals, you'll be getting these for $30. Actually, if you open up one of those courses, you can tell that just one of it costs about $30, but you're getting the entire bundle piece for $30. And the tools that is used for this course includes Maya, XGen, and also Marmoset. So if you're thinking about honing your skill in terms of creating hair and working with Maya or XGen or even Marmoset, then of course the flip box from the folks at FlippedNormals is for you. But for those who are thinking about a much more multi-purpose tool that they can use to create hair, they might want to consider taking a look at FiberShop, as FiberShop is one amazing tool that we've covered on the channel before that you can use to do some impressive real-time hair as well. And this is a fully procedural tool for anyone that is literally thinking about making hair, sculpting hair, and using hair in various DCC tools. We've already covered a full video about this one before, but just in case you're new to the channel and you sort of missed it, you can literally come through and check it out. Links to this is also going to be in the description. And speaking about things that you'll be finding in the description, let's talk about some nice new software bundles that you can now get on Humble Bundle. So the folks at Humble Bundle have released a good number of stuff. We're going to talk about the software ones and let you decide on what you would do with the game bundles. So in terms of the software ones, they've released the Spring Into Creativity Bundle, and this ships with the PaintShop Pro, AfterShot Pro, Video Studio Pro, and also the Photo Mirage. Now, all of these tools are tools that you can use to do very creative stuff. The PaintShop Pro by default is a tool that can allow you to do some beautiful paintings just like you have with Photoshop. And for those who are thinking about a Lightroom alternative that they can use in terms of editing their photos, then AfterShot is a pretty impressive one, and version 3 is looking pretty cool. For video editing, if you're looking for something that you can use to substitute Premiere Pro, then you can also rely on the Video Studio Pro, which is also beautiful. And finally, we've got the Photo Mirage, which is also really cool for adding those beautiful effects that you want for your images. Now, all of these, if you choose to purchase them one after the other from the folks at Corel, you'll be getting these for about £228. But now, because this is Humble Bundle, you're getting these for £34.64. So if you're into photo editing, video editing, or maybe you just want to start doing some nice cool color grading for those images that you've shot that is residing on your hard drive for a very long time now, then this is a very impressive bundle that you can grab. And of course, for those who are thinking about something more computer related in terms of cybersecurity, certifications and all, the 2026 AWS CompTIA Azure Google Cloud Cybersecurity and AI Certification Bundle is here, and this one is actually running out. We did talk about this one before, but again, for those who sort of missed it and you possibly want to grab it, you can come through and grab all of these amazing high quality stuff that the folks at Humble Bundle have put together. This whole bundle by default should be costing about $2,998, approximately £3,000, but Humble Bundle is offering all of these for about £22.17 for all 45 items. So if any of these interest you, then you can come through and check it out. Outside these, we've also got some good stuff that has to do with game assets. For those who are into Unreal Engine, Unity, there's the Giga Cosmos bundle, and this is pretty impressive for anyone that is looking for high quality game assets that they can work with. You're looking for beautiful environments. This is a very nice one. This is pretty huge. And this comes with 81 items within the bundle, and you'll be getting these for about £26.58 for all 81 items, as against paying £6,220.93. So this is a huge steal for anyone that is definitely thinking about bundles and assets that they can use for Unreal Engine and Unity. So simply come through and check this one out. There's also another one that has to do with the Ultimate Unreal Engine and Unity Asset Galore, and these ships with 63 items, and all 63 items include stylized stuff, realistic stuff, some effect stuff, some animations, and so on. So if this is also something that you like to get, then of course you can come through and check this one out. This comes with a good number of assets as well. 63 items is quite a lot. And for this one, you will be getting this for 26.65 as against 4,833 if you choose to purchase this individually. So this is a huge bundle, and I would definitely suggest that you come through and look at that. If you're looking for even more stuff that has to do with assets, the folks at Kitbash 3D have also released a couple of other ones. This is 13 bundles, and this comes with scenes, materials, assets, and so on. And you can come through and check this one out. It's about 747.66 if you purchase them individually, but Humble Bundle is offering this for 27. We've also got the Ultimate CAD for those who are into architectural design. The folks at Shampoo are currently issuing out 7 of their beautiful tools that you can use for doing your interior architectural designs, your exterior architectural designs, your furnishing. You can simply come through and grab these ones. They also ship with extensions, which has to do with assets. That includes the office, the kitchen, the interior catalog 1, and interior catalog version 2. The home designer is also another nice one that they've put together, and all these are now available. So if you like to grab these ones, you can also come through and grab them. And one thing to keep in mind is to any of these that you choose to get, a portion of them gets donated to charity. So for example, if you're trying to learn how to make games in 2026 and you like to use GODOT as the game engine of choice that you like to work with, of course, you can also come through and pick up some of the courses that are currently available right here and start learning. So this is it. Amazing stuff right here. For those who are thinking more about sound, there are a huge set of sound tools right here that you can simply come through and grab if you're looking for like music assets in terms of sound, or maybe you're looking for like 3D printing stuff, or possibly you're just looking for like Unity, Unreal Engine stuff as well. Or maybe you like to grab these ones. All these are now available, and I'll definitely recommend that you come through and grab them while offer lasts. So this is it. For those who are thinking about checking out any of these ones that I've mentioned, links to all of this will be in the description, so do well to see this for yourself. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.